Whoosh! Welcome back, my fellow bibliophiles, to the epicenter of all things literary. Today, we're strapping in to rocket off on a journey through the cosmos of a book that's more than a book. It's a supernova of wisdom and guidance. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to unravel the mysteries of mastery by the maestro himself, Robert Greene. This book is not just ink on paper, folks. It's a treasure map, leading you to the X marks the spot of your ultimate potential. A little spoiler alert here. This ain't your typical bedtime read. It's a deep dive into the ocean of excellence where only the most dedicated swimmers dare to venture. It's the Everest of self-improvement, the holy grail of personal development. So, fasten your seatbelts, open your minds, and let's set off on this thrilling expedition. Get ready to have your world turned upside down and your perception of mastery redefined. Get ready for mastery. All right, my fellow bibliophiles, let's hit the ground running with a captivating story straight from the book's heart. Imagine a young, vibrant girl named Yoki Matsuoka, a force of nature born in Japan, who harbored an insatiable passion for tennis. From the moment she held her first racket, Yoki envisioned herself on the grand stage, serving aces and winning hearts as a professional tennis player. But as the saying goes, life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. An abrupt, severe injury put a screeching halt to her dreams. The world Yoki had known, the world she had dreamed of conquering, seemed to crumble around her. But here's where Yoki's story takes a twist. Instead of letting disappointment engulf her, Yoki chose to channel her formidable determination into an entirely new endeavor: robotics. Despite the stark contrast from her initial passion, she approached this new field with the same enthusiasm and tenacity she'd shown on the tennis court. Yoki embarked on this unfamiliar path, and through relentless hard work and unwavering commitment, she didn't just dip her toes into robotics, she dived in headfirst. Yoki went on to break new ground in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence, contributing pioneering research that shook the very foundations of the field. Her story, my friends, is a compelling illustration of one of the crucial themes in mastery: the sheer resilience and the indomitable power of persistence. It underscores the idea that mastery isn't a destination but a journey filled with obstacles, detours, and sometimes complete roadblocks. But it's our resilience in the face of these challenges and our persistence to keep moving forward that ultimately leads us to mastery. Mastery is a book that delves into the process of becoming a master in a chosen field. The book is neatly divided into 6 pivotal steps towards achieving mastery, each of them a stepping stone to becoming the best version of ourselves. So let's embark on this incredible journey. Step 1 is about discovering your life's task. This isn't about clocking in hours in a 9-to-5 job. No, this is about your personal legend, your life's purpose. Greene beautifully illustrates this point by sharing the story of Leonardo da Vinci, who even in his childhood was drawn towards nature and art. Despite many hurdles, he dedicated his entire life to this passion, ultimately creating masterpieces that still captivate us today. In Greene's words, you possess an inner force that seeks to guide you toward your life's task, what you are meant to accomplish in the time that you have to live. Next, we step into the apprenticeship phase. This is where we learn to navigate the waters of our chosen field, understand the currents, and sometimes struggle against the tide. This phase is characterized by learning from mistakes and understanding the nuances of the game. Greene shares the story of Henry Ford, whose relentless experiments and failures ultimately led to the creation of the modern automobile. The third intriguing step is mentorship. Here, Greene emphasizes the significance of having a mentor who can provide guidance, challenge your thoughts, and help you tread the path towards mastery. Greene cites the relationship between the legendary Freddie Roach, the boxing coach, and his mentor Eddie Futch. Roach, under Futch's mentorship, not only became a better boxer, but also a renowned coach himself. Step 4 introduces us to social intelligence. This is where we learn to see people not as hurdles, but as integral parts of our journey towards mastery. Greene quotes, "The time that leads to mastery is dependent on the intensity of our focus." This step is all about using our social interactions to fuel our journey towards mastery, not hinder it. Next, Greene talks about awakening the dimensional mind. This is where the magic of creativity comes into play, using our experience and knowledge to create something new and unique. The story of Nikola Tesla, who revolutionized the way we use electricity, exemplifies this step. Tesla combined his knowledge of physics and his vivid imagination to conceive inventions that were way ahead of his time. Finally, Greene discusses fusion, the final step towards mastery. This is where you blend your knowledge, your creativity, and your experiences to achieve the ultimate level of mastery. Greene's example of Albert Einstein, who merged his deep understanding of physics with his creative problem-solving skills, gave birth to the theory of relativity, epitomizes this step. So, what are my thoughts on mastery? In my opinion, it's a powerful guidebook for anyone committed to lifelong learning and excellence. It's not always a comfortable read. It forces you to question your commitment to your passion, your resilience, and your willingness to learn and grow. But if you're ready to embark on this journey, mastery is the perfect companion. As for key takeaways, here are 3 I'd like to share. Discover your life's task and dedicate yourself to it. Understand the value of a good mentor. Cultivate resilience and the ability to learn from failure. To wrap things up, if you're someone with a burning desire to reach the peak of excellence in your chosen field, I can't recommend Mastery by Robert Greene enough. This book isn't a light-hearted stroll in the park. It's a challenging yet immensely rewarding expedition. It stands as an exceptional compass, guiding you to the zenith of your potential.